Good morning. I'm having a little tough time getting going on my own project, so I'm going to go help a buddy get doing something of his. Should be a piece of cake. He needs to put in a little bumper so nobody slides into his house. What used to be the garage is now the bedroom, and he does not want to drive through. Well, maybe it's a bumper for the tires, but we're going to put that right there. Somebody drives through there when they come home on a snowy and icy night. So we got the bolts and we got the driver, and we couldn't find our tape measure, so we found a trusty one that tells us what's going on, and we can make it on this side and that side, and guess what? It's parallel. Let's mark it. It's time to grab the washers, because Jimmy said so, and the bolts. Slide it in place, see where we're at. Line that up. Line the other ones up. Then drive them in place with 7/16. Drill doesn't help out much. It's time to go get something real. This sucker has 1,400 foot-pounds of torque, and it should drive that sucker in. Well, that didn't work. It snapped the bolt. Now I'm off to get a bolt extractor because I decided, my little impact wrench isn't driving it. So I grabbed the big impact wrench with 1,400 foot-pounds. It snapped the bolt. Obviously, it's an Amazon bolt. It is not, I repeat, a grade 8 bolt. I didn't realize that. So then I have to go get a bolt extractor. Looks like I've got a couple of tools for extracting busted bolt. The next bolt, or the last one, broke. Pull out bolt number 2 with the bolt extractor, the monkey wrench. All right, here goes the last bolt. We'll see what happened. Now that we've taken and busted 2 of them. Boom, done. All those dead things. Let's see, that one stripped out. That one broke. That one broke. Those are the Amazon pieces of quality tools. That one would hardly drive it. That one would just break it. And that's our tool extractor. Jimmy, are you happy?
I'm very happy.
They can call you Jimmy, just don't call you